video may contain curse words about parrots and birds. Please be warned. Hello, everyone! Today I'm going to talk about living with parrots and birds. Okay, not parents, but parrots. Sorry if I go quiet and sound like a girl. I go to the window, talk, and boom, sound like a female. Anyway. So, yeah, let's just get into the animation. Alright. So, let's just go to stories, okay? Stories about parrots and birds. So, one time I was in the middle school, okay? Just don't freak out. And one day I woke up at 5, and guess what just happened? I heard parrots. So I threw my alarm clock at the floor of my bed, and when I get off my bed, I just step on the alarm clock. Worst day I think I ever had. Anyway, I'll see you soon. I'll see you somewhere, but there's one last story before I go. So I was in 2nd or 3rd grade when this one happened. So I got up ready for school, and I went outside to hear parrots chirping, but the bus didn't arrive, and parrots just came flying in and started to bite me. And I noticed that I had a sack of beads. I can't speak today. I noticed that I had a seed on me, so I gave it to the parrots. And the bus finally came. The end. Yes. Did anyone own a parrot as a pet? Let me know down in the comments. And rethink your life choices. What did I just say? Anyway, see you soon.